Hey YouTube, this is Airborne Vet here. Thank you for watching so far. And here's some background on this particular rifle. It took me a year to build, and I've had a few shortfalls during building this rifle. First thing I want to talk about is the bolt carrier group. Yes, it's tool graft. But when I ordered it, it was missing parts. There was my first headache. Now, if we go along, and you'll see in the pictures, I got a fluted barrel. That's not the first barrel that was on this. First barrel had poor metallurgy. I took it to a gunsmith to safety check after I got done assembling it, and when he double-checked the torque, the metallurgy of the barrel started to twist the barrel itself. So I ended up having to wait about a month and a half to get a new barrel. So there were the pitfalls. Now, this photograph is when I took it out shooting for the first time. This is after I got it zeroed on below target. The blue mark is when it was first shooting, and it was shooting very high. There's actually a target below this, and that's how high it was shooting. The green marks are 100% my fault. I didn't have a good sight picture. Horrible cheek weld. Fundamentals just were a suggestion at this point. Now, this grouping right here, I actually shot the whole box of 20. It was the Fiochi ammo, Hypermax. I can't remember off the top of my head. But once again, the green marks, I wasn't following my fundamentals, but I was starting to get it into the zone, as you can see by the large grouping. This was all 20 rounds on this target. I would like to have special thanks for my chief editor right here. He's been giving me pointers. And thank you, Tube. Airborne out.